Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to find the nearest McDonald's location. Now guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple, whichever you have, and download the McDonald's application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to McDonald's. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to McDonald's videos, where you can also see how you can go and register to McDonald's. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the McDonald's official application where you have a lot of different options. So we have the rewards and coupons here, as you can see, and some more stuff on the home screen that you can go and check out. We also have the My McDonald's, where you have your code which you can scan, and you have some rewards which you can get by buying stuff from McDonald's. Also, we have the food, where you can go, guys, and see all the full menu that McDonald's has to offer. So we have burgers, chicken, Happy Meals, etc., etc. Also, we have the restaurants, where you can see all the restaurants near your location and where they are. And we guys have more, where you can see everything about your account. So you can see your personal details, password and security, communication settings. You can delete your account, and you can at the end log out of your profile. Now guys, let's see how you can find the nearest McDonald's location. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go to the bottom right corner and click on restaurants, and here you will have all the restaurants that are near you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.